Today we are going into Aldi to do a shop with me and a haul because I saw their ad this week and it's fire. Rumor has it they have Aldi merch, so let's go inside. Okay, so we're gonna start in the produce. These are a great deal at Aldi. They are these French green beans. You actually get quite a bit of them. 1 pound for $2.99, and they're really delicious. Their bagged greens and salads are really great too. I actually love that they have coleslaw now. I might get some of that. They have Asian chopped salad kit, Thai and cashews. I've had this one before. It's really good. A blue cheese one. Southwest chopped salad, that's good. Sunflower and Caesar. I'm pretty sure these are new, the croissant buns. I've never seen them before here. They look good. Every time I come to Aldi, these are staring me in the face. I might just have to cave in and get it this time. $5.29 for this huge tray of spinach and cheese manicotti. It says 2022 best new product voted by consumers. All right, we might have to try it. All right, I want to take a quick break and thank today's video sponsor, MyFitnessPal. Why am I super excited to have MyFitnessPal sponsoring today's video? Because I personally have been using MyFitnessPal for over 11 years. I just looked in my app and the very first weight that I tracked was in 2011. A lot of people think that MyFitnessPal is just for counting calories, but it's so much more than that. I've been using their premium membership for over a year and you get access to a bunch of awesome tools. It's like having a nutrition coach right in your pocket. You can track your steps, your exercise, your food, your water intake. I also love that it has a spot to track all of your measurements along with your weight. So you can track your weight, you can track your waist measurement, your hip measurement, your neck measurement, all of those things that you might want to keep track of while you're on a health and fitness journey. I personally like using it because I can customize my goals with the premium plan. So for example, if I want to set a specific carb goal or a protein goal for the day, I can do that all in my settings. While I'm not someone that tracks my food every single day, I do find it incredibly helpful to track my food, especially when I feel like I've gotten like really off track with my eating. Like I mentioned in a video, I think it was last week, that I needed to like get control of my snacking and healthy eating. And I really like using MyFitnessPal for that because it's really just an objective look at the calories that you're consuming every day. And sometimes I feel like we can like nibble throughout the day and take bites of this and taste of that. You don't really realize how it adds up until you kind of see the data right in front of your face. They make it super easy to log food because they have a barcode scanner in their app. So if you're eating something packaged like yogurt or even salad or dressing or anything basically that has a barcode, you can use their app to scan it and then it will pop all of the nutrition information up and you just log it. It's super easy. They also have a newer function where you can actually take a picture of your meal and it will, like the AI will see what is in your meal and it will track it for you. It's super cool if you've never used it before. And the best part is if you guys download it, you can also be my friend on MyFitnessPal. So just request me as a friend. My username on there is just Jen Chapin, and then we can cheer each other on as we complete our food diaries and exercise and drink our water. Like I said, I've been using the premium version for over a year now, and I think that it is totally awesome. They have like guided fitness and nutrition plans. So if you want to choose like, okay, I'm gonna spend the next 28 days on trying to move more or eat more protein, it will basically guide you through the whole process, which I think is fantastic. You can also customize your home screen and basically just get deeper nutritional insights into the food that you're eating. So if you guys want to download MyFitnessPal, you can actually get a month free of the premium version. You can go to the link in my description box below, check that out. Make sure to use my link to get your month free of MyFitnessPal Premium. And once you get it, don't forget to be my friend. Look me up on there. It's just Jen Chapin. I'll friend you back and we can cheer each other on. Once again, you can go to the link in my description box below to get 1 month of MyFitnessPal Premium for free. It is an incredible opportunity. I highly recommend you guys take advantage of it, so make sure you check that out. These have gone up in price. They used to be $1.99 and now they're $2.55. I still think it's a pretty decent deal, especially if you're strapped for time and you just want like a convenience food. That's you know, pretty decently healthy, I think it's a good deal. This is a cauliflower dip, roasted chili and pepper jack. And then they also have a buffalo style one too. I don't know, that's interesting. This actually looks really good. Mango pico de gallo. This would be really good with some salmon. This is actually a brand name item, these cake bites. This one is chocolate tuxedo. I don't know, I'm not like a huge sweets person, but these are actually pretty good. So I don't think these are brand new, but I do think they're newer here at Aldi. The Berman's stir fry sauces. They have one that's sweet and sour. There's a teriyaki, and then there's also this bang bang sauce, which I think looks really good too. Okay, so they have these laundry hampers for $9.99, which I actually think is a pretty decent deal. I might get one because some of ours are broken. This I think is actually a really good price. $29.99 for a 6-quart Dutch oven, which I don't need a Dutch oven, but that's honestly a great price. And then they have these stoneware casserole dishes. They are really deep. They're what, $14.99? Something else I don't need, but that some of you might want, are these divided glass food storage containers. The tops are bamboo, so they're not dishwasher safe, but the actual glass dish is. You get 2 of them for $12.99. They have these mini wreaths, $8.99. They're 13 inches. Those would actually be cute to hang on cabinet. I feel like these are a great deal for $8.99. This huge smushy pillow. Those are cute. These faux plants are $14.99. I don't think that's a terrible deal, honestly. They're pretty nice. And they've got some more candles over here. These are the Huntington. These are only $4.29. That's a good price, honestly. Okay, so here's the Aldi merch, guys. They have Aldi pajamas, socks, water bottles, and they also have sandals. Oh my gosh. I feel like these are so kitschy. Like, I kind of want them, but I know I would probably never wear them. But they have 2 different kinds, men's and ladies. They were also supposed to have the quarter holders here, like the keychains. I don't see those, but they do have some dog toys. They're kind of, this one I thought was cute. It has like all of the different Aldi groceries on it. I actually really like these signs. I don't need any right now, but they have one for bedroom, one for laundry room, one that just says home on it. These blankets look nice too. This is cute. $6.99 for this beaded garland. I might actually get this for my tiered tray in the front entry because these are like a blue and white. That would go well for 4th of July decor. Aldi always has like a really good selection of pasta, and sometimes they have like these specialty kinds that you can't find other places. So I think that's kind of cool. I actually think this is a really good price for this. It's an accent bench. 42 by 15 by 20 inches, and it's only $64.99. Seems pretty heavy. I feel like this is kind of pricey, although it's neat. It's a dual separator trash bin, $79.99. I know stuff like this is pricey though, so it might be better than some other places. These containers are really cute. I probably would not get them because I don't need any more, but $8.99 for a 2-pack. The patterns on them are pretty. I've never tried this Too Good yogurt. I might try some. I know it's like keto people eat it a lot, but is it good? Do you guys like it? I think this is also something newer that they have, is basically pulled rotisserie chicken, just like plain chicken breast meat. I don't know, that might be a good quick find. It's only $5.99. Okay, so I thought I would share with you guys everything that I got from Aldi, just like an impromptu trip, because I wanted to see what they had this week and I needed a few things anyway for home. I did get some lemons because I'm running low on those, and I always like to keep lemons in the fridge for drinks and recipes and things like that. I got some bananas. We are nearing the end of ours. I think we only have one left, and the kids like to have those as snacks sometimes before bed. They'll have a banana with peanut butter, so got some of those. I got some strawberries because I could buy these every other day. My kids would just eat right through them, but they're looking pretty good, and they're coming down in price now that the weather is kind of starting to get a little bit warmer. I don't know, I wish it would get warmer quicker because it's still been very cool around here in the Midwest. I did get some mango slices, so I saw these, and then I saw that mango pico de gallo that I showed you guys, and I was like, I bet I can make some of that myself. So I don't know, we'll probably use some of this to snack on, and then the rest of it I'll make some of the mango salsa. I got some of these cracker cuts. These are just like the Cracker Barrel or the brand name ones, but I highly recommend them at Aldi. They're a lot cheaper, and Kira really likes those. Connor prefers like a Colby Jack cheese, so I got him these Colby Jack cheese stick, and then we were all out of sliced cheddar sandwiches, so I got a package of that. I really love getting feta cheese at Aldi because it's really good quality and it's inexpensive. And I prefer to get the whole block of feta, not the crumbled, because then I can cut it up myself and I just think it tastes fresher. So I use that for salads and different things like that. I did pick up 2 of these fruit and cheese crackers, just, I don't know, for the kids' lunches or snacks throughout this week. I got 1 avocado, a bag of coleslaw. This is something that my Aldi just recently started carrying, so I'm glad to see that there now. I got some of these Activia probiotic dailies. Connor really likes like the drinkable yogurt, so I'm sure he'll have those. I got some milk. I got the whole milk organic. I use this for like my iced lattes and recipes and cereal and things like that. I did get a box of these mini chocolate chip cookies for the kids' lunches and snacks and things like that. These are pretty good. They have a couple of different kinds. They have these and then they have like more of a shortbread cookie. But if you look at the nutritional facts on them, the added sugar is not quite as bad as some of the other like Teddy Grahams and things like that, so I like to get those. I also got some of the watermelon fruit strip. My kids really like these in their lunch boxes. And then I got some bread just for sandwiches and some hot dog buns because we have some hot dogs in the fridge and we needed buns to go with those. I'll have to let you guys know how this turns out. The spinach and cheese manicotti. That's like the 3rd time I've seen it there, and finally I'm just like, okay, I have to get it. So I'll let you guys know how that turns out. Let me know if you've tried it before. Okay, have you tried this Starlight Coke Zero? It says it's space flavored, which I think is hilarious, but I think I found this at Hy-Vee before, and I've never found it in a 12 pack or anything. I've always just found it in the 20 ounce bottles, but this is really good. I recommend it, and I mean, I know I love diet soda, but it's really good. I don't know quite how to say that it tastes. I feel like it tastes like fruity, like maybe like a raspberry flavor. I don't know. It's good. I got some of this Too Good yogurt. I don't believe I've tried this before, so we'll look forward to trying that. This is the candle I ended up getting. It says citron and cilantro. It actually does not smell like cilantro. It just smells to me like a citrus flavor, like a really strong like lemony orange. So definitely recommend that if you can get your hands on it. I got one of these beaded garlands. I thought that would be cute for my entryway tables, so that's what I'll use that for. They had these in the freezer section. They are ice cream bars, toffee crunch, 150 calories each, so I thought those looked pretty good, so we'll try that. I've never had them before. I got a couple of different wonton soups. This was like a featured buy this week, so I got one of the pork wonton soups and one of the chicken wonton soup. I don't know, I believe Kira has tried these before and she liked them. I like them. I'm sure Adam likes them. Both kids really like pot stickers, so I did just go ahead and get a bag of those. And then this is something that I haven't seen there before. This was in the freezer section. It's a German potato blend. It says fried potato slices with scrambled eggs, onions, and spices. I thought maybe Adam would try that for breakfast. I got some bagel pizzas. I've purchased these before and I've told you guys my kids really like them. They're just as good as the brand name Bagel Bites. And then Aldi merch. Okay, so I did have to get myself a water bottle. I thought that this was neat, and they had a couple different colors. And like I said, they had the sandals, but I didn't get those just because I thought, you know, I don't need more sandals, but I thought this was pretty cool and useful. They had these Uglies kettle chip. They had plain and barbecue. I decided to get a bag of the barbecue just to have in the pantry. I got a couple cases of Diet Coke because we were all out, some Capri Sun, and then I got one of these Febreze car air fresheners. I really like these. They work really well for your car, so I highly recommend them. I got some more paper plates. We're out of those. Haven't purchased those in a while. And then I also needed some Ziploc bags. I was totally out. I had like tons of quart and sandwich size bags, but no gallon bags. So I just went ahead and got 3 boxes of these. They only had 13 in each one, so grab those. And then I also got some more Aldi merch. So I got these socks because I thought they were cute and kind of kitschy. So that's a 2-pack of those. And then I did find the keychain quarter holders. So I was very excited for this. I told you guys in the store I couldn't find them. They ended up being up by the checkout. So there were 4 different ones. I got one of each just so I could show you guys, and then I'll probably give some of them away. But this one just has like carts on it. They all have a slot for a quarter in the back, and then you can just clip it on your keychain. This one says it's an Aldi thing. This one is a heart, and then this one says Aldi all day. But yeah, I thought those were cute. So definitely check out Aldi this week. If you guys like any of this stuff that I shared with you, I know their stuff goes fast, but you should still have time to grab some of it. Thank you again to MyFitnessPal for sponsoring today's video. Be sure to check out the link in the description box below if you want to try it out. Don't forget to request to be a friend with me on MyFitnessPal. My name is just Jen Chapin. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.